walking around. Charon, charon. Marami pa akong i-add na halaman sa ground. Wala lang po akong time. Kasi busy work ako. Ayan, dito ko nilagay sa shade yan. Ayan. Snow peas. They don't like hot. This is my babies. I grew this last year. Spider plant. The spider. And I had some display here, zebra and deer. Ito ang aming likod. Daming kalat hanggang doon. Ibang luwang ng taniman hanggang doon. Garden ng biyanan ko yan.